Hey guys, my name is Vanya, and today we're going to be talking about CRISPR-Cas9, a genetic engineering tool that is taking the scientific community by storm and may be the reason we won't need healthcare in the future. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's start by talking about the immune system. We all know that we have an incredibly complex defense system in our bodies that fights off disease. Pathogens that enter our bodies encounter a cell and try to infect it, but the white blood cells, with the help of antibodies, fight them off. It may surprise you to know that bacteria have immune systems too. Little bacteria-specific viruses called bacteriophages can attack and kill bacterial cells, the same way that normal viruses can kill our cells. So how do bacteria protect themselves from these invaders? That's where CRISPR-Cas9 comes in. It recognizes the genetic sequence of the bacteriophage and cuts the viral genome with an enzyme, effectively disabling it. The bacterium even remembers which viruses have attacked by cutting and pasting a part of the viral genome, called a spacer, into the part of its own genome reserved specifically for CRISPR. Pretty cool, right? I guess no organism is a huge fan of viruses. I almost feel bad for them, but not that bad. So, how was CRISPR even discovered? Weirdly enough, it was all due to cheese. Yup, I said cheese. Bacterial cultures are very important in the production of cheese and yogurt. Scientists, due to the sudden infection of bacterial cultures at Danisco, a very important food company, were investigating why some bacteria died due to bacteriophage infection while others survived. Analysis of the surviving bacteria showed that those samples had the CRISPR system and were actively defending themselves against the infection. So getting back to the title of this presentation, how is CRISPR going to eliminate healthcare? Well, after the discovery of CRISPR, biologists found out that they could use it to edit bacterial genomes and that this could be used for humans too. While editing of human genomes is currently not allowed until the ethics and potential drawbacks involved can be discussed among the scientific community, it could happen in the future. That means we could potentially create humans without genetic defects, diseases, or even without undesirable characteristics. Genes related to diabetes, heart disease, and cancer could be swapped out for favorable ones, cutting out the need for healthcare, and that this could happen even before birth, when zygotes are first formed. Movies like Gattaca show how the creation of these perfect humans, or designer babies, could affect medicine and society in the future, both positively and negatively. CRISPR-Cas9 is a revolutionary piece of biotechnology and could change the face of genetic engineering and medicine in this century. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time.